Preview.
In this lesson, we will talk about the tools you will need to start writing HTML. Basically, there are two things you will need. One is web browser and another one is a text editor. Basically, you can use any web browser, but we will be using Chrome because of its developer tools, which you will need later in your journey. And for the text editor, you can start with any basic text editor shipped with your OS, but I will suggest you to go for Notepad++. It's fast, small in size, and provides a good code highlight. To download Notepad++, open your browser and search for Notepad++. Go to their official website and look for the latest version they have published. You will find there are two available versions. One is for 32-bit systems and another one is for 64-bit systems. Download the one you need. Once it's downloaded, install it. So here is how Notepad++ looks. Let's close this default file and let's write our first HTML document. Generally, HTML documents start with the HTML tag. Inside of the HTML, there will be two top-level tags. One is head, another one is body. Everything inside the body is rendered on the browser, what we see as a web page. And basically the head contains meta information about the web page, title, and links to static assets like CSS, JavaScript, etc. The title is something which we can see on the top of the browser or on the tabs. Our HTML document is ready, so now let's save it and see how our browser renders it. Make sure you save it as a hypertext markup file. Open the HTML file on your choice of browser and you will see this as an output. Now if you click on Inspect, you will see here is our source code. The code which we have written in our HTML document.